Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a background picture in Google Sites using the updated 2026 layout. Google Sites doesn't have a built-in full-page background option, but there are a few easy tricks that work really well. First, you can change the header background. Just click the header, choose Change Image, and upload your picture. You can turn off Adjust for readability if you want the image to show naturally. You can also add background images to individual sections, hover over the section, click the paint bucket, choose image, and upload your picture. This is great for banners or highlight areas. If you want a full page background effect, add a large section with an image background and stretch it full width. Then adjust the padding or duplicate the section to make the image cover more of the page. You can also add a color overlay with lower opacity if the picture is too bright or distracting. Preview the page on desktop and mobile, and when it looks right, hit Publish. And that's it. That's how to add a background picture in Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching.